sa arena 2-1. First set is done and over with, and UST would rather forget that one. And hopefully it's an aberration for them as they lost by 12 in that first set. And your thoughts on set number 1?
Well, we mentioned how UST lacked energy in that game when they lost against NU. And, you know, here in the first set, it was clearly really dictated by Ateneo. Ateneo dictated the pace of the game. UST just had a difficult time when it came to defense. And we saw a lot of points being scored by UST coming from chances. I mean, it wasn't like they really intended to go for that play. And that's something that they need to think about, you know, coming into the second set. They have to organize themselves if they want to have a better fight against Ateneo.
Wow, look at those unforced errors.
Look at that. It's 12 here for UST, just 2 here for Ateneo. Doesn't help because kahit sabi mong pantay yung number of attacks at 9 points each, the unforced errors really made the difference here in the first set.
Wow. 10 extra points. Remember, they lost by 12. And I'm going to ride on what you were saying. Ateneo just looked a little sharper in that first set. The way they executed, laging merong direksyon yung palo nila. Yung puntos na nakuha ng UST, marami on broken plays nga, as we said, no? So, very good start for Coach Roger Gorayev. Ang natuturingang batchmate nila Phil. Nila
Start of
Gretchen,
second set. Ateneo leads the match 1-0.
Z.
Again, for the benefit of everyone, the challenge system is no longer
Valdez had
implemented.
7 points on 4 attempts, 3 serves also. 3 service points rather in that first set. Phil Kainglet, the player of the game in the last match.
To serve for Ateneo.
By the way, may panakiusap sa akin si Phil kanina bago.
Don't forget.
Minsan lang mag-request sa atin yung mga players, so we have to greet Justin Tech. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ganda na lang ako.
Tutuloy ko sana, pero since sinabi mo, okay.
Sabi ko, promise ko, babatiin ko para sa kanya. May kapalit yung interview ko sa kanya eh. Interview daw as long as may babatiin ako. So Justin Tech, happy birthday. And thank you for granting the interview. Phil Kainglet, the Iloilo native, ready for set number 2. Let's see how UST responds. They have Lantin, Caballejo with the first point. Ortiz, Dusaran, Tunay, and Banaticla.
Now what we're looking for are players to really step up here on the side of UST. Banaticla and Caballejo were pretty silent in the first set.
Gem, back set, sent back. And again, Lazaro keeps it alive. Z gives UST a chance ball. They open up to Caballejo. Lazaro was still there. She's been playing solid today. Ferrer trying to fool UST. Caballejo again. Chance now for Ateneo. May tinawag siya dito si Valdez ang kanyang pinuntahan, and the cross-court attack
Cross-court attack
works.
by
Selena
Valdez.
Dagdag is with a former Ateneo player. Let's listen to this interview.
So, Kara, it's so nice to have you back on court today. Ano naman yung masasabi mo sa performance ng Lady Eagles ngayon? Masasabi ka bang masaya ka sa pinapakita nila?
Yes, I'm very happy that they're showing a very matured game. They're trying to minimize their errors, and they're bumabawi sila from their first game kasi medyo pangit yung performance nila dun. So, yun.
Oo, tama, Kara. Having said that, what do you miss most about being a member of the Lady Eagles?
Well, I think na the thing that I miss the most would be yung teammates ko. Kasi iba talaga yung magkakaroon ng family dun sa loob. And second, yung school spirit kasi iba pa rin sa UAAP.
Thank you so much, Kara. Back to you, Madam.
Thank you very much, Selena. And thank you, Cara Acevedo, former captain of Ateneo. And we have to remember, she played with a lot of these, if not most of them, except for Tejada. But sila Phil inabot niya, di ba? Sila Labea Pascual pa, di ba? So,
And it's always nice to see
she's
former
always here,
really
right?
support. Yeah, she's consistently been supporting the team.
She tries to go to all the games
7, Ortiz out,
if she can.
3, Cortez in.
As Cortez now for UST, Chloe Cortez, the rookie comes in. I've been waiting for
Cross-court
them to
attack
go to
by
Bella Tunay, the second-year player, just for variation, and they
And
finally did.
that's what they need at this point in time. We really have to look for that high percentage attacker who can deliver the points. You're banking on Caballejo and Banatikle, but so far, still not haven't found it.
Down the line attack by
Herbacio.
Herbacio.
Down the line. That's a great setup by Jem Ferrer. She made an adjustment. She was so close to the net, but she was still able to set it up perfectly for Z. And the Diet Bicol native, Marge Tejada, on deck. That finds the line too.
De Leon finds the baseline.
Not one of the best attacks coming from UFC, but they'll take that anyway. It's still a point.
So it is Chloe Cortez now from the St. Vincent de Paul College.
Cortez.
Medyo malamya yung service na yun. It is 6 serving 3. Valdez sending it to the other side. Lantin to Banatikla.
Oh, look at these girls really
Yeah.
go after the ball.
High ball from Lazaro. The crowd loves it. Lantin, great set by Lauren Lantin.
Good attack by De Leon.
Let's check out the other side with the PCCL champion point guard, Tina Marasigan with Jeric Fortuna.
Yes, Boom. I'm with Jeric Fortuna. Segue muna tayo sa PCCL basketball. Jeric, anong gusto mong mensahe na ibigay sa UST Tomasian community sa pagsuporta sa inyo doon sa last game na kayo ang champion?
Wala akong masabi sa suporta ni UST. They've been there all throughout UAP. Kahit hindi UAP, malakas ang suporta. So, maraming salamat.
So ngayon, ikaw naman ang sumusuporta sa team ng UST for women's volleyball. What do you think are the chances of a women's volleyball team for them to go to the finals and actually fight against LaSalle?
Well, napanood ko yung first game nila against LaSalle. Very promising sila and I wish them all the best lang.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Jeric. That's all for now. Boom!
Thank you very much, Tina. Thank you, Jeric, for showing support here
Timeout.
for their UST team who are down by 4. We'll talk about that later after this Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.